Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shazam bin Abdul Aziz. My number is BLH24030005. So today I will present my landscape design proposal for the academic block B Courtyard and Laman Usahawan. So the proposed site is located at lot 233, Jalan Kajang 43077, Beranang, Selangor. The main aim of the landscape design proposal is to create a functional and well-organized outdoor environment by integrating softscape and hardscape elements that enhance usability, comfort and the overall user experience. So, we move to the issue. The main issue identified at the site is insufficient greenery and facilities, which affect the visual appeal and comfort level of users. So, the lack of plants increases heat retention during hot days, making the space less comfortable for students and visitors. To solve this issue, several improvements are proposed. First, adding more planting element to improve the visual quality and reduce heat through natural shading. So second, we have adding facilities such as sitting areas, stepping stone and relaxation spaces to make the site more functional and welcoming. So for the design concept, I choose Bayou. Why I choose Bayou is because the concept used for this design is Bayou. According to Kamus Dewan, Bayou refers to a gentle and soft breeze that blows slowly. Okay. In landscape design, Bayou represent natural airflow that improve outdoor comfort and creates a calm and soothing atmosphere. This concept is important because it connects people with nature's subtle movements such as wind, water and sound. So we move to the concept framework. The Bayou concept is applied through several landscape elements. First, escalation, which is achieved by maintaining open spaces and proper plant placement. Second, shaded sitting areas, created by planting tall canopy trees to provide comfort. And third, soft planting, which helps cool the surrounding environment. And fourth, water features, which create cooling effect and relaxing bird and water sounds. And finally, bird attracting trees, which encourage natural sounds and biodiversity within the site. Together, this element help create a soothing outdoor environment where users can relax, socialize and enjoy nature. Okay, so we move to the functional diagram. The functional diagram shows how the site spaces are organized. The design includes several functional areas such as working areas for circulation, sitting areas for relaxation, discussion areas for students, water features for visual and cooling effects, reflexology footstep path for health and recreation, Laman Usahawan and food court areas for commercial and social activities. So basically this layout ensures the site is both functional and user-friendly. So, for the form composition plan organizes the site using clear spatial arrangement and pathways. The main components include first, the academic block B Courtyard, the double-story shaded food court, Laman Usahawan, planting areas, water features, resting and discussion areas. And the design emphasizes comfortable circulation and clear connections between spaces. So, we move to the schematic plan. For the schematic plan, it illustrates the overall design layout of the site. Okay. Key elements included in the design are palm trees and shrubs to create greenery and shade. Second, gazebo structures for shaded resting areas. Third, timber benches for sitting. Fourth, linear water features for cooling effects. Fifth, stepping stone and reflexology path for interactive movement. Next, we have planter boxes to organize planting areas. This element helps support the Bayou concept by enhancing airflow, shade and natural comfort. So for the master plan presents the complete design of the site. Important features included are OKU-friendly walkways with handrails for accessibility. Second, we have pathway lighting and downlighting for safety at night. Third, we have timber plaza and timber deck areas for gathering spaces. Next, we have water features and boat sculpture as focal point. Next, balinese sculptures and ceremonial umbrellas as decorative elements. And then, I believe this design can combine recreation, relaxation and commercial activity in one landscape space. So for the softscape palette, includes the plant species used in the design. So for trees, we have Gardenia carinata, which is golden gardenia. For shrub and ornamental plants, we have Azora chinensis, Dracena, Heliconia rostrata. For palm, we have Areca palm, royal palm. Other plants include is Jasminum sambac, Podocarpus microphyllus, Zoysia japonica as turf grass. So this plant provides shade, aesthetic value, scent, pressure control and habitat for birds and insects. So for the hardscape palette, The hardscape element provides structure and functionality in the landscape site. So example include is Balinese shrine made from hand-carved andesite volcanic stone. Second, we have curved outdoor bench made from hardwood slats and steel frame. Third, we have book sculptural fountain with decorative glass mosaic. Fourth, we have Balinese ceremonial umbrella made from wood and fabric. Fifth, we have solar garden downlight and pathway bollard lights made from powder coated aluminium with LED lighting. So I believe these materials are chosen for durability, aesthetic and outdoor suitability too. So for the isometric drawing show the 3D spatial arrangement of the design element. So they illustrate the relationship between buildings, renting areas, water features, sitting areas, food court and commercial areas. This drawing help visualize how users will experience the space from different angles. Okay, so for the perspective drawings, it is show realistic views of the design. So basically, they illustrate several keys such as the timber deck sitting area, the double-story food court, the relaxation pavilion with green roof, the decorative water features and gazebo area, the food stall and coffee area. These spaces all are designed to create comfortable environment for relaxing, socializing and enjoying outdoor activities for the visitors and for the local users. Lastly, for the section and elevation, the section and elevation drawing show the vertical relationship of the landscape element. Basically, they illustrate how different spaces interact, including commercial areas, leisure relaxation spaces, working areas, planting areas. So basically, these drawings help explain the height, spatial arrangement and layering of the landscape design. Lastly, for the conclusion, this landscape proposal aims to transform the site into a comfortable, functional and visually attractive outdoor space. By applying the bio concept, the design enhances natural airflow, shading, greenery and user comfort. The integration of soulscape and hardscape helps create a harmonious environment where students and visitors can relax, socialize and interact with nature. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much.